if 2x plus y is equal to 23 and 4x minus y is equal to 19, okay, find the values of x minus 3y and 5y minus 2x. Okay, so you have to follow the same steps. Here we are going to use the method of elimination by equating the coefficient only, okay, as we have been doing so far. And then once you get the values of x and y, you have to substitute those values in these algebraic expressions. These are expressions, these are not equations. And once you put the values of x and y here, you get the answer. Okay, all right, so let 2x plus y is equal to 23, equation 1, and 4x minus y is equal to 19, equation 2. Do you think you have to multiply anything? No. If you observe the coefficients of y, in equation 1 it is positive 1 and in equation 2 it is negative 1. So can we just add them? Is it okay if we add them?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely. So write down adding equations 1 and 2 to get, again write down 2x plus y is equal to 23, equation 1, 4x minus y is equal to 19, equation 2. Okay, this is plus here. So you get 6x is equal to, y will get cancelled out, is equal to 23 plus 19 is how much?
42.
Correct, 42. That means x is equal to 42 upon 6. Therefore, x is equal to 7. X will be 7. Okay, so you can put x is equal to 7 in equation 1. Put x is equal to 7
Sir, is y is equals to 2.
in equation 1. So you get 2 times 7 plus y is equal to 23. So y is equal to 23 minus 14. No, y is not 2.
Sir, y is 9.
Y is 9. Okay, so once you get x and y, you can find the values of. So write down, therefore, x minus 3y is equal to 7 minus 3 into 9. So 7 minus 3 nines are 27. Minus 20 is the answer. Also, 5y minus 2x equal to 5 into 9 minus 2x. म्हणजे किती? 2 into
7.
7. Correct. 5 nines are 45 minus 14. How much is it?
31.
31. Correct. That's all. So this is how you get the values. That's it. What is question 13? Solve for x and y. So basically you have two linear equations in two variables and you have to solve them simultaneously to find the values x and y. This is equal to, see, you have to put brackets. They will not give you brackets. You have to give brackets. Otherwise, you will go wrong. Okay, what to do here? What will be your first step? You have to simplify this, correct? So what will be the first step? Yes, yes, LCM. जिसका कोई नहीं होता उसका 1 होता है. जिसका LCM नहीं, जिसका डिनोमिनेटर नहीं होता उसका डिनोमिनेटर 1 होता है. What is the LCM of 1, 4 and 5? 20.
20.
So yeah, multiplying both sides by 20. So you get 20 into y plus 7 upon 5 is equal to 20 into 2y minus x upon 4 plus 20 into 3x upon 1 minus 20 into 5 upon 1. 5 ones are 5 fours are 4 ones are 4 fives are. So you get 4 into bracket y plus 7 is equal to 5 into bracket 2y minus x is equal to 60x. Oh, sorry, is not equal to plus 60x minus 100. Now open the brackets, you get 4y plus 28 is equal to 10y minus 5x plus 60x minus 100. Now rearrange the terms. Okay. After rearranging, you get 28 plus 100 is equal to 55x plus 10y minus 4y. Basically, you get 128 is equal to 55x plus 6y. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That is, again, I will rearrange. You get 55x plus 6y is equal to 128. I don't think we can take anything common. So this is the final step. This is the final thing. Similarly, you have to simplify the second equation.
Second equation.
So you have 7 minus 5x upon 2 plus you have 3 minus 4y upon 6 is equal to 5y minus 18. Okay, again, जिसका कोई नहीं होता उसका 1 होता है. What is the LCM of 2 and 6? 6. So multiplying both sides by 6, you get 6 into 7 minus 5x upon 2 plus 6 into 3 minus 4y upon 6 is equal to 6 into 5y upon 1 minus 6 into 18 upon 1. Right? So you get 2 ones are, 2 threes are, 6 cancel. So you get 3 into bracket 7 minus 5x plus 3 minus 4y is equal to 30y minus 18 6 are.
108.
Correct, 108. Now open the brackets. 21 minus 15x plus 3 minus 4y is equal to 30y minus 108. Okay, rearrange the terms. 21 plus 3 will be 24 plus 108, right, is equal to 30y plus 4y plus 15x. Okay, so 24 plus 108 is how much?
132.
132. So 132 is equal to 34y plus 15x. Correct?
Yes, sir.
That is, you have 15x plus 34y is equal to 132. This is equation 2. Now look at both the equations and see what you can do. How will you equate the coefficient, and which coefficient should be equated? Which one will be easier?
6y.
6y. Oh, okay. I think, see here, if we equate x, this here we have 15, here we have 55. 55 threes are 165 and 15 11s are 165. So I think that will be much easier. Do you agree? I think so, right? So what we will do, we will multiply equation 1 by 3 and we'll multiply equation 2 by 11. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo, we'll do that. Write down multiplying equation 1 by 3 to get
Sir,
165x plus 6 threes are 18y is equal to 128 into 3 is 384. This is equation 3. Also, multiplying equation 2 by 11 to get, you get 165x. 15 into 11 is 165. And 34 into 11. 34 into 11 is how much? 340 plus 34. 374. 374y is equal to 132 into 11. 1320 plus 132. It's very easy to calculate. 1452. Is that clear? This is equation 4. Now you have to subtract. Subtracting. I think you subtract equation 3 from 4. Subtraction equation 3 from 4. Actually, it doesn't matter, but that's okay. 165x plus 374y is equal to 1452 minus 165x plus 18y is equal to 384. Okay, when you subtract, all signs will change. Everything will become minus in this case. 165x will get cancelled. 374 minus 18y is how much? 356y. And 1452 minus 384 is how much? 1068. 1068. And if you notice, this is divisible by 3. Although the numbers are big, calculations are easy. Y is equal to 1068 upon 356. Do the calculations, you will get the answer. It is 3. समझते का?
Yes, sir.
Great. Now, once you get y is equal to 3, you have to substitute that in, I think it is better to substitute in equation 1. Yeah, put y is equal to 3 in equation 1 to get. Can you tell me what do you get? 55x plus 6 into 3, correct, is equal
Yes,
to
sir.
128. What do you get? 55x is equal to 128 minus 18. So you get 55x is equal to 110. 55 2s are 110. So x is 110 upon 55. That means x is equal to 2. What is the solution? X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Okay, so the solution is very simple, easy. I mean, the numbers are small in the solution, but the calculations are, while doing the calculations, the numbers are big. Question 13, second part. We have first equation as 4x is equal to 17 minus, be careful with the signs, put brackets. Okay, if you don't put brackets to x minus y, then it is going to be difficult. Okay, tell me what is the next step to simplify it? LCM is 8, right? So multiplying both sides by 8. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what do you get? 32x is equal to 17 8s are.
Yes, sir. 102.
17 8s are
136.
136 minus into bracket x minus y. So once you open the bracket, you get 32x is equal to 136 minus x plus y. So you get 32x plus x minus y is equal to 136. This implies that 33x minus y is equal to 136. This is going to be our equation 1. Next, we have second equation, which we have to also simplify. 2y plus x is equal to 2 plus into bracket 5y plus 2 upon 3. Okay, 5y plus 2 upon 3. So again, जिसका कोई नहीं होता उसका 1 होता है. So multiplying both sides by 3, what do you get? 3 into 2y upon 1 plus 3 into x upon 1 is equal to 3 into 2 upon 1 plus 3 into 5y plus 2 upon 3. 3 cancelled. So you get 6y plus 3x is equal to 6 plus 5y plus 2. If you rearrange the terms, you get 6y plus 3x minus 5y is equal to 8. That means we have, first we have to write the x term. Okay, you have to write the term in x, which is 3x plus y is equal to 8. This is equation 2. So this is what you get. Now solving is very easy. Why? Because if you observe, the coefficient of y in equation 1 is -1 and the coefficient of y in equation 2 is +1. You don't have to multiply, you just have to add them because the signs are opposite. If the signs are opposite and coefficients are same, okay, you just have to add the equations to eliminate that variable. Is that clear? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Great. So what you will say? Adding equations 1 and 2 to get 33x minus y is equal to 136 plus 3x plus y is equal to 8. Okay, so y will get cancelled. You get 36x is equal to, right, 136 plus 8 is
142.
144. So x will be 144 upon 36. 36 ones are 36.
3x plus
fours
y
are.
is equals to 8.
X is equal to 4. X will be 4. So if x is 4, I think you should substitute that in equation 2 because that is easy, right? So put x is equal to 4 in equation 2, right? You get 3 into 4 plus y is equal to 8. You get 12 plus y is equal to 8. So you get y is equal to 8 minus 12. So you get y is equal to minus 4. Question 14. Find the value of m. Find the value of unknown m. Okay. If x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to m. 2x plus 3y is equal to m. Okay. What do you mean by x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is the solution of the equation? See, if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is the solution of this equation, that means left hand side will be is equal to right hand side. That means these values of x and y satisfy this equation. Do you understand the meaning of this? Are you getting the meaning? So write down, if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 is a solution of the equation, then LHS is equal to RHS. Do you understand what I'm saying? समझते का क्या चल रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so put x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. You have to substitute these values in 2x plus 3y is equal to m. You get the value. So 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 is equal to m. So you get 4 plus 3 is equal to m. That means m is equal to 7. What will be m? 7. Is that clear? It's so easy. In fact.
तर
Got it?
झालं.
Yeah, that's all.
Sir, एवढं छोटं.
Oh, that's all. Is that clear? What we have done?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, in place of x, put 2. In place of y, put 1 and solve. You will get m. That's all. This is the meaning that x and y is the solution of the given equation. It's so simple. Okay, chalo, we'll do the next one. Question 15. 10% of x, 10% of x plus 20% of y is equal to 24. This is, what do you mean by 10% of x? 10 upon 100 x, barabar? Of means multiplication.
Yes, sir.
Of means multiplication. So 20% means 20 upon 100 into y is equal to 24. So in fact, you get 1 upon 10x plus 1 upon 2 upon 10y is equal to 24. Okay, why did I not take 1 upon 5? Because ultimately we have to, get the LCM. So the LCM is 10. So you get 10 into 1 upon 10x plus 10 into 2 upon 10y is equal to 10 into 24. So you'll get x, right, plus 2y is equal to 240. Equation 1. Got it? समझलं काय केलं? And equation 2 is, what is equation 2? 3x minus y is equal to 20. Tell me, how will you equate the coefficient? Which coefficient to be equated?
Sir,
Why? You just have to multiply equation 2 by 2. That's all. Because here there is already 2, which is plus. And here we have 1, which is minus. So you have to multiply equation 2 by 2 and add them. That's all. So write down multiplying equation 2 by 2 to get, what do you get? 6x minus 2y is equal to 40. Equation 3. And then say adding equation 1 and 3. Adding equations 1 and 3. We get x plus 2y is equal to 240 plus, right, 6x minus 2y is equal to 40. Okay, so you can cancel out 2y here. You get 7x is equal to 280. Is that clear? So x is equal to 280 upon 7. That means x is equal to 40.
40.
And once you get x is equal to 40, you can substitute that in equation 1. So you get 40 plus 2y is equal to 240. So you get 2y is equal to 240 minus 40. So you get 2y is equal to 200. Y is equal to 200 upon 2. So y is equal to 100. Okay, so numbers are big, but the solution is quite easy. Question 17. First of all, we have to simplify 11 into bracket x minus 5, correct, plus 10 into bracket y minus 2, correct, plus 54 is equal to 0. Okay, open the brackets, you get 11x minus 55 plus 10y minus 20 is equal to minus 54. Okay, so 11x plus 10y minus 75 is equal to minus 54. Take minus 75 to the right hand side. You get 11x plus 10y is equal to minus 54 plus 75. So how much do you get? 11x plus 10y is how much? 21. This is our equation 1. Also, you have to simplify equation 2. What is equation 2? 7 into bracket 2x minus 1, right, plus 9 into bracket 3y minus 1 is equal to 25. Correct? So what do you get? 14x minus 7 plus 27y minus 9 is equal to 25. So what do you get? 14x plus 27 minus 16 is equal to 25. Are you following or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So you get 14x plus 27y is equal to 25 plus 16. So you get 14x plus 27y is equal to 41. This is equation 2. Now you tell me which coefficient to be equated. X coefficient to be equated or y coefficient to be equated.
Why?
Sir, why?
Sir, why?
Y equate करायचं. बर, okay. But the LCM of 27 and 10 is 270. There is no other LCM. I mean, there is no other number. Okay. Yeah, that's okay. That is okay. That is what we need to do. So you have to multiply equation 1 by 27 and equation 2 by 10. Let's do it. Multiplying equation 1 by 27. What do we get? Bolo. 27 into 11. 270 plus 27 म्हणजे 297x plus 270y. 27 into 21. 27 into 20 is 540. 540 plus 27 is
567.
567. Correct. Zala multiplication. That's all. It's very easy, in fact. Then multiplying equation 2 by 10. This is easy. So you get 140x plus 270y is equal to 410. Equation 4. Now what do? We subtract. Okay, because the coefficients are equal now, but the signs are also equal. If the signs are equal, you have to subtract. If the signs are opposite, you have to add. Very simple. Okay, okay. So shall I go to the next page? Everyone done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So write down subtracting equation 4 from 3 to get. So 297x plus 270y is equal to 567 minus 140x plus 270y is equal to 410. When you subtract, every sign will change. So all the signs were positive, now all the signs will be negative. So y will get eliminated. 297x minus 140x is how much?
7x.
157x. Very good. And how much is this?
157.
157. Very good. So what is x? 1. X will be 1. That's all. Then you have to substitute this. I think you should substitute this in equation 1, which will be easy. Put x is equal to 1 in equation 1. Original 1 या 2 में डालने का, 3 और 4 में नहीं डालने का, because they are already big equations. If you do this, what do you get? 11 into 1. Correct?
Sir, again y is equal to 1. Yes.
Correct. Plus 10y is equal to 21. So you get 11 plus 10y is equal to 21. So you get 10y is equal to 21 minus 11. So 10y is equal to 10. So y is equal to 10 upon 10. That means y is equal to 1. What is the answer? X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. This is the solution. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.